So Father's Day is coming, and I know if you're anything like me, I am not sure what to get my dad. It's always been something, and if you're a wife, if you're a mother, if you're a child in any way, you have run into the same thing. It is really hard to buy things for men. Can we agree? I can, because I am a guy, and I'm not really sure what to get my dad. I get him a book, I get him another tie, I get him something that he can rub on his bunion. I mean, I don't even know. You know what I'm saying? Like, there's so many options out there. Don't give him another tool. I mean, those are always like the go-to, like, I can get away with that. But I want to suggest for you this year something that I personally love. It is revolutionized, and I don't even have to think about what I'm getting Father's Day gifts for. I love this so much that I'm getting other fathers the gifts for them with these same products. Okay, so let me be completely honest. Men are like waffles. We categorize everything. There's Father's Day waffle hole, there's work waffle hole, there's family, there's marriage, there's all these different things and waffles in their mind, and they focus on one thing at a time. So they're not thinking about Father's Day like sometimes girls can think about birthdays or Christmas coming up or anniversaries, okay? So that's why we get in trouble too, by the way. So FYI, we think in waffles, you girls think like spaghetti. So it's all totally intertwined. Anyway, long story short, I want to encourage you to get something for your husband or to get something for your dad that's different this year than they've probably ever had. And one of those things that I want to show you is something that I've gotten specifically from doTERRA. And doTERRA just came out with a new man's line. And if you're anything, you don't even have to be an oil expert. But I just want to tell you a little bit about it because it has just been absolutely fantastic for me. They have this, they've got 3 new products for men. It's called the Amavi line. And this it comes with a bath bar, it comes with an aftershave lotion, and it comes with a roll-on oil, Amavi roll-on oil, essential oils, and it's basically it's called the fortifying blend. Very woodsy, very manly. I know most men don't really want to smell like a flower for the most part, and most men I would say, but there are guys that would rather smell like, hey, I've been out in the woods, or I've just definitely been more, that just makes them feel more brute. And this is the line for them. So what I'll typically do is I will wash my face, and this is a really cool bar. Let me pull this out here for you because it has been very, very cool, fantastic. I've used it already a couple times, so it's a black bar soap. So it looks like this. It's a black bar soap, artesian soap, and I wash my face with this. I absolutely love the smell of it. I don't care what kind of dad or man you are. This bar soap, like, I took a shower with this. I don't just wash my face. Like, this soap is amazing. It's called the Onyx Balance Bar, Bath Bar, and I want to encourage you to get it. It comes in a pack. All 3 of these come together, so they're not individually. I think you might be able to get them individually, but you want to use them all together to get the best benefit. But it's a really cool artesian bar of soap specifically. Then after I'm done shaving, which sometimes shaving can be such a chore for men, why not add something into their routine that could actually help them feel a little bit more manly, smell a little bit better without having to think a whole lot about it. So this really does it. So after you wash, what I'll do is I'll lather up with the soap, and then I'll shave with the soap, and then what I'll do is, this is the aftershave lotion. I'll put it all over, not just right where I shaved, but all over my face. It's an incredible lotion. It's got some new essential oils in it that doTERRA normally doesn't have, called Buddha wood oil, and a few other things that just really pull out. First off, it's great for the skin. I'll tell you, my skin has never felt so smooth using this product. And I use this almost sometimes even as a body lotion, but definitely on the face, aftershave lotion, it's fantastic in doing that. And then the third one is, I just actually been carrying this around in my pocket through the day. It actually helps with focus. It's almost a little bit a stress reliever. It actually kind of takes me to, just helps me to relax. It's called the Fortifying Blend because emotionally, yes, guys deal with emotions. You're dealing with a lot every day. You're going to work, we're working hard, we're doing a lot of different things. This is just a way for you to be able to get this and have it with you all the time. Put it, what I'll do is I'll take it, put it behind the ears a little bit, and I'm good to go. I'll even rub it in just a little bit as far as that goes, but I smell fantastic. My wife absolutely loves it. She can't keep her hands off me. So wives, if that's what you want, this is going to be very helpful. I know that's what your husband would want, but it all determines if you want that as well too. Anyway, moms, kids, wives, get something for your dad, for the fathers this year. That's something different that actually is going to be useful. That's going to help them feel better about themselves. It's going to help them be able to be a better dad, a better husband, a better father. Yes, this does affect mood. It does help all those things because it's infused with essential oils. So if you want a better relationship, yes, I'm even saying that because when mood changes for men, they can communicate better. They can connect better with you wives. They can connect better with you moms, kids, all those different things. Get the Amavi. This will make a big difference, and you can get it now. Father's Day is coming up. You can get as many as you want, just about. I think up to 4. So if you have 4 dads or stepdads or whatever you need to get them now because they're exclusive, and they're out and they're here and they're going like hotcakes. So I want to encourage you, get this product now. Don't wait, and it'll be in your mailbox before you know it. You can send it directly to them, or you can get it to your house and mail it out with a cool little card, however you want to do it. All right, everybody, have an awesome day. Hopefully you get it in time. If you need help, please let us know. We're happy to help you do that. Elevate Oils at healthyoats.com is our website. But Healthy Oats, mydoterra.com/healthyoats. You can order it on there. And if you are a wholesale customer, you'll get 25% off in making that happen. So anyway, God bless. Have an awesome day, everybody. And go and take care of those fathers for Father's Day. Bye-bye.